I noticed you own the house at 123 Brilliant Street, but live somewhere else. I wanted to check in and see if you have ever thought about selling it. Pretty easy, straight to the point, no mumbo jumbo. Most people that own multiple properties, they're just looking at the bottom line, right? Get to the point. Absentee owners are selling. They are now realizing that it may be time for them to sell their property because home prices are dropping in some areas, or they're just tired of managing all of the tenants, or whatever reason. We are seeing an increase. We are seeing investors pull out. So I have an absentee letter for you that I want to go over, and I want to go over the letter really quick. And then I want to go over 4 psychology angles that I used in creating this. This is from me calling, I don't even know how many years, a long time, calling absentee owners and having great success with it. So here we go. This episode is brought to you by abrillianttribe.com. Check us out, and then you'll see what we do there. Let's go. This letter is actually super simple. It's less than a page. It's like 3/4 of a page, not even, maybe half of a page. It's got the date at the top, and it's got hi homeowner, hi Joe, hi Joanne, the typical names I use. My name is Tristan Ahumada. I help folks buy and sell homes here and then I put the city. I noticed you own the house at 123 Brilliant Street, but live somewhere else. I wanted to check in and see if you have ever thought about selling it. Pretty easy, straight to the point, no mumbo jumbo. Most people that own multiple properties, they're just looking at the bottom line, right? Get to the point. And we've got right now, many buyers are looking for homes in the neighborhood. Now, tweak that if that's not the case, okay? Change that up and say, hey, it looks like your neighborhood is going up, down, or whatever in price. We have more sellers. We have more buyers. Some investors are selling now. And the way I have it here, because I am in a seller's market still a little bit, right now many buyers are looking for homes in the neighborhood. Some even offer more when a place is in good shape. I can share what houses like yours sold for in the past 90 days. That way, you know the real numbers before anyone else. Now, you may also need to tweak 90 days to 30 days or 60 days, depending on your market. If the market is rapidly changing in your area, you got to tweak that. Then the final simple paragraph. If keeping the house feels like a lot of work, I can show easy steps to list it and still protect your renters. We can even talk while they stay put, so no one is surprised. That's a big deal with a lot of the landlords. You don't have to decide today. Just reply or call me. I'll send a short report on prices and rent trends at no cost to you. After that, you choose if selling makes sense. Let me just tweak one thing. There we go. And then I just put, thank you for reading. I'm here when you are ready. Warmly, my name, my email. Here are the 4 psychology points to this. And by the way, if you need this letter, you know the drill. Message me on Instagram and I'll send it over to you. Or if you're watching on YouTube, comment in the comments and I'll go in there myself and send it over to you too in a link to a Google Doc. All right, 4 psychology angles. Number 1, social proof. Mention many buyers in the neighborhood and recent sales to show others are taking action. Remember, that can go up or down depending on your market. Number 2, authority and expertise. Offer real data about pricing and rent trends so the owner sees you as a trusted guide or somebody that they can rely on because it seems like they know what they're talking about, right? Reciprocity. Gives a free report first, which creates a small feeling of wishing to respond. This works, right? If you are the one that's saying, hey, here's what I got for you, just email me and text me, no strings attached, that works. Especially if we did test this out, but we didn't test it out enough. In some of the handwritten notes that we were sending out to these we put a QR sticker, and the QR sticker would have a link to go to our home evaluation page through Lofty. So they could type in their address and they could see quickly what their home was worth. But again, we took it off because it wasn't personalized. It was just a general idea, it's like a Zestimate. So we decided to take that off. Number 4, loss aversion points out that in my market, buyers will pay more now so the owner feels the risk of missing out. Now you could do the opposite, which is, a lot of sellers are starting to put their home on the market as prices are dropping in our area. Did you also want to jump in now as prices start declining? So take that into consideration, and let me title this one. This one is episode, I just want to make sure we've got the right episode because I know some of you are going to ask for it. Episode 548. If you need this, let me know and I'll send this over to you. Have an awesome day.